How's it going, YouTube? Stick around and I'll show you how I made this solid walnut and maple desk organizer with storage for A4 paper, an A5 diary, built-in picture frame, dovetailed drawer, sliding top section, separate compartments for thumbtacks, paper clips, etc. and a secret compartment. Oh, and there's some inlay on the front. Alright, let's get cracking. So basically what I've been doing so far is just breaking down my material and getting my pieces ready. Now I'm going to change gears a little bit and start to work on the inlay of this piece. I have to inlay the owner's name into the front. So let's take a look at how I'm going to attempt that. And now for the really clever part, you spray adhesive onto this and onto a bit of plywood. So the spray adhesive won't actually stick to your board, it will just stick to the tape. You can peel off the tape. Once it's planed down thinner, then you can put it through the planer. And here's one I prepared earlier. The spray glue should be just gone off. So, place that down. And now that is stuck firmly in place, I can put that through the planer, get it down to 1 millimeter thick. And now the moment of truth. Will it work or will it explode? Only one way to find out. Well, that went well. Hopefully. I got my template already stuck on to my two pieces. They're stuck onto a bit of plywood. I got my holes drilled. It's all set up. Guess all that we needed now is a montage. So at this point, last time I tried inlay work, there was a lot of tears and, well, not tears, but it didn't go well. So let's see how we did. I'll clean this up, show you a bit closer. One nice thing about doing the inlay this way is that you always end up with the inverse. That spare piece, you know? So I wanted the walnut with the maple writing, but I also have the maple with the walnut writing. It's cool. Don't know what I'm ever gonna do with it. It's nice. Right, so we have the inlay all wrapped up. It's actually looking really nice. I'm actually surprisingly happy with it. But now that that's all finished up, we can jump back into putting the body of the piece together. Just about ready to put it together and get the first idea of how this thing is gonna look. Alright. Now I want to cut these two upper pieces to the same size as that lower shelf I just cut. So I can take a piece, square one end. And because I put a mark on my bench, I can bring up the stock, tighten it, and I know this is the exact same size as the previous one. So for the past little while, what you've seen me doing is cutting out this tray. That's going to be the little tray on top for, there's one pen to go on it and, you know, paper clips, whatever. here I'm just gluing up the box for the drawer, and I'm doing a half blind on the front so the drawer face just looks like one solid piece. And I always have a bit of trouble doing the bottom of drawers like this. What I usually do is glue the whole thing up square, flip it around, and then route out a groove to drop the bottom into it, because if you try to cut it beforehand, the groove will run out the front and you'll see that slot where the base goes into. You'll see what I mean now in a minute. Well then, this turned into a bit of a mess, but it's together anyway, and hopefully square. I like it. Step 1. And now for clamps. Lots and lots of clamps. Well, if it's wrong, it's too late to go back now. See how it looks. Like that. So, what are the odds this is just gonna slide in perfectly first time? Airtight seal. No hammering required. Jeez, it actually did. These things always take a lot of hitting. I ain't complaining. It just sits on top. Slides back and forward. Surprisingly easy. I'm missing a piece.